Question is Thomas Cup is related to which games? Answer is badminton. Question is which team had won the first ICC Cricket World Cup in 1975? Answer is West Indies. Question is who causes the hydrophobia? Answer is virus. Question is which British Indian is the new head of the British Broadcasting Corporation? Answer is Sameer Shah. Question is Vajra Prahar News 2023 is a joint exercise between which countries? Answer is India and USA. Question is exercise cyclone recently in the news is conducted between which two countries? Answer is India and Egypt. Question is who invented the mariner's compass? Answer is Marco Polo. Question is how many laws are there in all cricket? Answer is 42 laws. Question is which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer is Mount Everest, Nepal. Question is which is the biggest island in the world? Answer is Greenland. Question is which is the national animal of India? Answer tiger. Question is what is the highest point in India? Answer is Junga. Question is which is called the city of golden temple? Answer is Amritsar. Question is which is the largest river in the world? Answer is River Nile. Question is which country is called the land of midnight sun? Answer is Norway. Question is which has the largest parliament in the world? Answer is China. Question is which and where is the largest zoo in the world? Answer is Kruger National Park, South Africa. Question is what is the name of the biggest flower? Answer is Rafflesia.